Hello and welcome to this section of the Physics 3 Tutor. In this section we're going to work some problems dealing with charge carrying wire or a current carrying wire in a magnetic field, just to give you some practice. So the first problem goes like this. A straight stretch of wire has a current of 27 amps. What is the magnitude and direction of the magnetic field B needed to float the wire? The linear density of the wire is 45 grams per meter. Now I promise you this is a great example of a very simple problem. You'll see there's not much math, but you must understand what's being said or you're just never going to get the right answer. This is really what 99% of physics is about. We want to float this wire. How can we float a wire? That means we have to have a force exerted on it enough to balance its weight, right? That's really what we have. Now they're given this weird thing, linear density of wire, grams per meter, 45 grams per meter. I never taught you anything about that, so a lot of times you read it in the book and you're like, boy, I don't understand that. You need to just take it one step at a time. So let's draw a picture and see if we can understand it. You can draw the picture any way you like, but this makes sense to me. This is the wire. It's a cylinder, right? I'm going to put a dot in the center just to remind you the wire is actually coming to you. So it's not drawn obliquely, it's coming straight out of the board. All right? Now, this wire has a weight, right? A force of gravity, right? Which is mg. Mass of whatever segment of wire that we have that we're talking about times gravity. And what we want to do is we want it to float somehow. So we know that the force going up needs to be the same length as the force going down. So this is going to be FB, going up like that. All right? So the first question is, before you do any math, what will the magnetic field look like to do that? Okay? So you start going different directions, putting magnetic fields with your pencil different directions. But if you think about it, if